Hello everybody, today we want to make Penne Meatball Casserole. And let's start with the sauce. And let's pour oil. Now, for the sauce, I got 2 pieces of meat over here. I got beef and pork. And I want to pour some little flour on the meat like that. Both, and this is the pork. The pork and the meat, it give you good taste for the sauce. We gotta brown the meat both sides to make a beautiful color. Okay, now we turn on the other side. Okay, now the time this I was turn on the other side. Okay, everybody ask me, Pasquale, when you cook, what happen? No cin cin? Cin cin e saluto devi beare. Cin cin. Okay, now we got the onion, and we put it right inside. All right, and we got some of the garlic. All right, and now we leave it cook a little bit of the onion and the garlic, but make sure that no burn the garlic and the onion, okay, after you messed up all the sauce. Now, one time the garlic and the onion, it's ready, I got something special ingredient to put over here. I want to know, so somebody know what it is, this special ingredient. It's a liquid. We use a little tomato paste. It's not this, the liquid I'm talking about. This is a tomato paste. And we put, okay, it's enough. And we give a nice turn. Now I got the special ingredient what I gotta put over here, okay? But this is something special. I think of everybody, but special for me when I cook. Hey, look what I got over here. Hey, you need this. Look at that. Ah, you see now? It go. All right, now we leave evaporated the good ingredients, the wine. Oh, it smells so good. It's a time of my sauce. This is I make every year my sauce sauce. Oh, look at this. 1 and 2 jars. Okay, we put a little black pepper. Okay, I put salt, not too much salt, because my sauce, it's already salt. I put like this. After we taste. And I got 2 oil baby pepper. This is really hot, but we put it for taste and we mix everything together. Now, we load the gas and we put it on medium low. At the same time, I put the oven on at 400 degrees and let's start to do the meatball. I got a beef and pork. Now, this I chop by myself with a machine. I not buy already done, cause I like the way I do by myself. Before we start the meatball, I gotta wet something. And I want to wet my mouth. I want to say salute e cin cin everybody. A salute! Okay, now, for start, I want to take out these eggs over here. And I want to crack the eggs. I make sure to crack the eggs over here. And I want to make sure not it's inside. Okay, look how beautiful. And we put it right over here. We gotta use a little salt. And the salt I use this. I use a lot of garlic of meatball, it give you good taste. Now we got a parsley. I know use of the parsley gets a lot. Okay. Now I use pecorino cheese. And let's break the eggs now. And let's mix it together a little bit. But not mix all the way yet. And we use a little black pepper. Okay. And we use like, this it's not breadcrumbs, it's a panko bread. And I use, and after when I need more, I put more. But before I start this, mix it again, I gotta wash my hand. Cause this, it gotta be mixed by hand. Let's start the mix like that. And we use a little bit more. Okay. All right. Now it's time to roll the meatball. And to roll the meatball, I got this parts over here. Do like this. You take like that, and you make one meatball like this. It's done. Look, boom, and done. I gotta do the meatball. The meatball, you gotta roll like a boss. See this? And you start the roll nice. And you put each one like this. Now, this is the size I do. You want more big, you can do more big. More small, you can do more small. It's the way you like. Okay, now the meatball done. Look how beautiful look. Now you gotta go in the oven at 400 degrees. Okay, and let's cook. And after that, we gotta go in the sauce. Now, the same time the meatball is in the oven, couple of more minutes, I gotta wait to put the pasta. Okay, now the water boiler, let's salt. And now, let's do the pasta. Penne. Okay, we salt the water, and now the penne gotta cook. Okay, now 15 minutes, and the meatball is done. All right, now what we gotta do with the meatball, we gotta put it right over here on the sauce. To cook it together with the sauce. And we put it right over here. Okay. And we cook it together with the sauce a little bit. Look at this, look how beautiful it look. Okay, now the pasta is ready, and I wanna drain. Now, before I drain my sink, I'll leave the cold water run. I want to bust my pipe. And one time somebody said to me, Pasquale, why you use cold water on the pasta? I don't use cold water on the pasta. You see? It's like that. Kind of one. The pipe broken. And now we put the pasta back on the pots. And we turn the door off, and now the pasta gotta go right over here. At the same time, I bring the sauce right over here. We gotta put a sauce inside the pasta. And we give a nice mix of the pasta with the sauce. And we gotta use cheese and mix together. And I got a mozzarella. And we put a little bit more sauce, and we mix. Before I put the pasta, I like to use a little sauce on the bottle. And make sure the sauce go all over the place, like this. Okay. Put the pasta on a dish. All right. Oh. Let's take out this mozzarella. And we make a nice flat over here. Good. And we use more cheese on the top like that. And we use the mozzarella. it's a time to pour the rest of the pasta, make it flat. Now it's a time to pour the meatball. And the meatball we pour like this. And we lay down, or like that. Each one. And now we put a little extra sauce right on the top of the meatball like this and on the pasta. I'll do like this before this you gotta go in the oven. This you gotta go in the oven. But before I put it in the oven, I want to put it right over here on this pot. I don't want the sauce to go out on the oven. And this you gotta stay for 35 minutes. Okay, now it's 30 minutes. Let's bring over here. All right. Now what I want to do, I want to put a little bit of sauce, not too much. The only thing to make a little more wet like this on the top, like that. And I put more on the top, pecorino cheese and fresh mozzarella. Like that. Look how beautiful looking now. Okay, now this you gotta go in the oven. And when the mozzarella is done to melt, we take out. Okay, let's close the oven. Okay, let's check my mozzarella melt. It look good. Okay, now it's a time of the test. Oh, look how beautiful look. Oh, and see you want little extra cheese. You can shred right on the top. Good. Really good, the meatball. It's so good. A little wine. Salute e cincini di everybody. And thank you so much to look at this video. I hope somebody make a salute. Thank you.